Actually, we need to learn about 5 arrays, including string, because string is array. We already done that before, right? Except strings, we should learn about 4 arrays: list, tuple, set, dictionary, right? This slide is very important. The important slide summary arrays. But you need to remember the differences: ordered, changeable. This one is unchangeable. Okay, this one is unordered. This one is changeable but unordered, and no duplicate allowed. Dictionary. Okay, duplicate values allow කරන්න නැති දෙකක් තියෙනවා set dictionaries. එහෙම මතක තියාගන්න. මේක හොඳට analyze කරගන්න. short notes හදාගන්න. right, ordered ඒවා කීයක් තියෙනවද? දෙකයි, list and tuples. changeable ඒවා මොනවාද? changeable මොනවාද? list and sets. Okay, we can change the values, but we'll learn list are okay. We did all the stuff about list, and we learned about tuples up to change tuple values, right? Right, can we change the values in a tuple by keeping the values inside the tuple? No, because it's unchangeable. I explained last week, immutable. Then what we can do is, as a solution, we can assign all the values inside the tuple into a list, and we can change the list, and we can make that list into a tuple again. Okay, list tuple එකක තියෙන දෙයක් change කරන්න ඕන නම් list එකකට අරගෙන list එක change කරලා ආපහු tuple එකක් කරන්න. Okay, just write this one in your notebook. The last thing you written is changing the tuples, right? Changing the values in a tuple. Okay, we can't change the values directly in a tuple because tuple is unchangeable. Okay, what you can do is, take the tuple. For example, A, assign into a list called B. Change the value inside the list called B. Changed it and assign it again to the same variable, same tuple. Draw this diagram now. Tuple, you need to assign the values into a list first, then change it, then assign it again. right. Now right about a tuple. I think I already sent these slides to your group last week. Listen carefully. My important point is, by looking at Python coding, you need to understand. Okay, because most of the time you already seen the past papers, but you will get a code and they're asking questions. You need to read the code and pick the correct answer. But what's happened here in the first program here? This tuple has 3 values. How are you going to identify a tuple? How are you going to differentiate a tuple with a list? කොහොමද list එකයි tuple එකයි වෙන් කරලා හඳුනගන්නේ? From brackets. Right. May brackets use කරන normal brackets, it's a tuple. If it is list, you need to use square brackets. Okay. Right. Easily. අපිට මේ brackets පාවිච්චි කරලා ඉක්මනට හොයාගන්න පුළුවන් මොකක්ද කියලා. මතක තියාගන්න ඕනේ හැබැයි. Right. Then 4, just after see the word 4, you should remember something is going to repeat. Right. What are the stuff going to repeat? The stuff inside this tuple. මේ tuple එකේ තියෙන values one by one repeat වෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ this tuple කියන tuple එකෙන් එක value එකක් x වලට assign කරනවා. First value is apple. Then print it. Second value is banana. Print it. Third value is cherry. Print it. Then what this for loop is does? For loop is going to print all the values inside the tuple. Easy. The make බලපු ගමන් තේරෙනවා අඩු ඇති උඹලට. Right. මේ lines තුනේ මොකද කරන්න කියලා මුලින්ම එකපාරට බලනකොට තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. හැබැයි මේ line තුනම read කරනකොට ඔයාලට තේරෙනවා මේ code එකෙන් කරන්නේ මේ tuple එකේ තියෙන values one by one ඔක්කොම print කරනවා screen එකේ. එච්චරයි. Right. Go to the next one. Again same tuple. Now we got a if condition. If apple in this tuple, may tuple එකේ apple තියෙනවා. If it is yes, print the message yes, apple in the fruit tuple. ඇත්තටම තියෙනවා. Yes, answer is this one. මේ string එක display වෙනවා screen එකේ. Right, third one. Same tuple. Print length this tuple. මොකද්ද මේක answer කළා? What is the answer? What did print on the screen? What is the length? Yes, just 3. Okay, values තුනක් තියෙනවා. Characters count කරන්නේ නැහැ. We count the characters in a string. This is not a string, this is a tuple. Right. Next program. This tuple, same tuple. This tuple 3 is going to change. 0, 1, 2. Right. We are going to change it to a new value. Can we change? No, this will raise an error. Make කරන්න බෑ. Okay. මේ error එකක් තියෙනවා. මේ program එකේ error එකක්. One item tuple. Remember the comma. Right. And the next thing you need to remember is the comma. හැම tuple එකේ හැම list එකේම item එකක් separate කරන්න comma එකකින් නේ. Right. tuple එකක අනිවාර්යෙන් comma එකක් තියෙනවනේ එක item එකකට පස්සේ. Okay, print type this tuple. මේ variable එකේ type එක print කරන්න කියලා කියන. First one will give the class tuple. Second one will give the class string. Did you get it? Why? Because there's no comma. If there's no comma, it will consider it as a string. අයිලමයි මෙතන variable එකක් තියෙනවා. එක string එකක් වගේ තමයි program එකට පේන්නේ. Apple කියන්නේ string එකක්. brackets තිබ්බට differentiate කරගන්න Python program එකකින් එක tuple එකක් එක item එකක් න items ගොඩක් තියෙනවා okay කමස් තියෙනවා right if you want to assign a value as a tuple just one value you should put a comma next to that value then only Python program identified it as a tuple otherwise it identified as a string clear type right join two tuples how to join tuple 1 got 3 items a b c tuple 2 got again 3 items 1 2 3 any array can take any value right not just a string numbers float any data type right how to join them together just add them tuple 3 is equal to tuple 1 plus tuple 2 print it once joining two tuples together and print the new tuple and see how the values is going to appear okay values කොහොමද display වෙන්නේ කියලා බලන්න කරලා right let's see tuples are unchangeable you already know the මේවා තමයි මතක තියාගන්න ඕනේ you need to remember this tuples are unchangeable so you cannot remove items from it but you can delete the tuple completely so unchangeable කිව්වොත් තමයි කරන්න බැරි මොනවද ඒක ඇතුලේ තියෙන ඒවා change කරන්න බෑ right if unchangeable array stuff inside you can't unchange but you can delete it entire tuple not just one item okay how are you going to delete it using del keyword delete this tuple simple the whole tuple is going to delete the values inside when you print this one this will raise an error because the tuple no longer exists there's no tuple called this tuple it's already deleted okay it is also possible to use tuple constructor to make a tuple tuple කියලා කියන constructors ළමයි constructors ගැන පස්සේ කරමු right මේ වගේ අපි එක එක වැඩ කරනවා program එක right constructors methods වලින් එක වැඩ කරනවා this one will make the tuple අපි tuple එක හදන්නත් පුළුවන් අපි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් කොහොමද හැදුවේ with normal bracket අපි කලින් කොහොමද හැදුවේ this tuple equal brackets දාලා values ටික දාගෙන ගියා okay මෙහෙම නැතුව මෙහෙමත් පුළුවන්ලු ඉතින් හරි කමක් නැහැ what has changed the tuple construct all the values are comes inside the tuple construct okay तर මේ tuple කියන එකේ brackets උත් එන්න ඕනේ තව මේ list එකේ values හදන brackets උත් එන්න ඕනේ brackets දෙකක් එන්න ඕනේ ඒක තමයි rule එක හරි tuple constructor එක use කරනවා නම් constructor එකේ brackets දෙක එන්නත් ඕනේ tuple එකේ හදන brackets දෙක එන්නත් ඕනේ tuple එකටත් තියෙන brackets දෙක එකකින් නවත්තන්න බෑ this one is okay right
Kasun Sameera, shaping your future with the best ICT experience.